What is up, folks? This is John Wick and Beavis and Butthead FTW, the Emoji Movie FTL here, and it is time for a 4K Ultra HD update for October 22nd, 2022. So, at Walmart today, I got one 4K that came out like 4 days ago. Yep, you saw this coming. Bullet Train. This is the Walmart exclusive specifically. The standard one just has this kind of artwork as the slipcover. I like this slipcover artwork a little. I do like this artwork for this slipcover better than the standard one. Right, normally I do the unboxings in a separate video, but I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox it on camera right now. So let's go ahead and do just that. Get the sticker off. Hang on. Sorry. My eye's bothering me. God, this is a pain in the ass. This sticker specifically. All right. Got that sticker off. All right. There's the actual case itself. Like I said, standard. Like I said, if you do get the standard 4K, this will have. If you do get the standard 4K, slipcover art will be the exact same. All right. Now, let's get her open. There we go. Yeah, in my opinion, folks, Bullet Train is the best film that Columbia Pictures has released this year. There are other films, Uncharted, Morbius, Where the Crawdads Sing, and Wild Wild Crocodile sucked. I haven't seen Father Stew, but I heard it was pretty bad. But yeah. I want to show the digital code, so I'll probably be using that. Here are both of the discs. There we go. So there you have it. So there you have it, folks. That is the new 4K pickup for today. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.